Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic.
Breastfeeding protects mothers by reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, new studies reveal. In addition to providing health benefits for infants, breastfeeding offers metabolic benefits to mothers as well. Scientists did not previously know the underlying cause explaining this mechanism. However, but by studying pregnant women and lactation over time, a team of scientists identified long-term improvements in pancreatic beta cell mass and function. They also identified improvement in glucose tolerance associated with lactation. Researchers linked the hormone prolactin to serotonin production and proliferation of beta cells. The new study provides an explanation for the beneficial effects of lactation. Pregnancy imposes a substantial metabolic burden on women through weight gain and insulin resistance. Lactation reduces the risk of maternal post-pregnancy diabetes. Scientists have now identified long-term beneficial effects of lactation, which last for years after the cessation of lactation. For study, scientists recruited pregnant women with impaired glucose intolerance or full-blown gestational diabetes. About half of the women breastfed their babies and half did not. 2 months after delivery, lactating and non-lactating mothers had similar blood glucose concentrations after a glucose tolerance test. But 3.5 years after delivery, women who had breastfed their babies have significantly lower glucose concentration in their blood. Researchers also noticed better beta cell functioning in women who breastfed their babies. Beta cells produce and secrete serotonin. Researchers did a series of experiments in the animals as well. The team found that prolactin binds to beta cells and triggers serotonin production. Prolactin is a hormone produced when humans or mice make milk. Prolactin then increases beta cell proliferation and insulin production. Insulin helps glucose enter the body's cells from the blood. In type 2 diabetes, cells become insulin resistant and less become able to absorb glucose. The pancreas is forced to make more insulin until it can't keep up and blood sugar rises. Researchers say that the study provides new and interesting data on the beta cell function. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge as well.